Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to help you live your healthiest life. Today we're diving into some fitness hacks that you'll wish you knew sooner. These are the kind of tips that can take your workout routine from ordinary to extraordinary. Did you know that even a 1% change every day can lead to almost 38 times the results in a year? It sounds almost too good to be true, but it's all about the power of compounding. Imagine making tiny improvements in your fitness routine every single day. Over time, these small changes add up to massive results. That's the power of consistency and small changes. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. It's not about making huge leaps overnight, but rather about making steady progress day by day. Whether it's adding an extra rep to your workout, running an extra minute, or choosing a healthier snack, these small actions can lead to big changes. We often think we need to overhaul our entire lives to see progress, but the truth is, incorporating small, smart changes can make a world of difference. For example, if you're new to working out, start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Or, if you're already active, try switching up your routine to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. That's where fitness hacks come in. These are the little tricks and tips that can make your fitness journey easier and more effective. From finding the best time of day to work out, to discovering new exercises that target multiple muscle groups, these hacks can help you get the most out of your workouts. These are simple yet effective tips and tricks that can transform your workouts from basic to BAM. Imagine knowing exactly how to optimize your warm-up to prevent injuries, or learning how to use everyday items as workout equipment. These hacks are designed to make fitness more accessible and fun. We're talking about maximizing your time, boosting your motivation, and getting the absolute most out of every single rep. Time is precious, and with the right hacks, you can make every minute count. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent, these tips can help you fit fitness into your schedule and stay motivated. In this video, I'm sharing some of my all-time favorite fitness hacks that I wish I knew sooner. These are the tips that have made a huge difference in my own fitness journey, and I'm excited to share them with you. From nutrition tips to workout strategies, we've got it all covered. Trust me, these game changers will have you wondering how you ever lived without them. You'll see how small tweaks can lead to big results, and you'll feel more empowered to take control of your fitness journey. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. So get ready to upgrade your fitness game and unlock your full potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of hacks that will help you stay on track, push through plateaus, and celebrate your progress. Let's get started and make fitness a fun and rewarding part of your life. Let's be real for a second. We've all faced those frustrating fitness roadblocks. You know what I'm talking about, right? That feeling when your schedule's jam-packed and you can't imagine squeezing in a workout, or that voice in your head saying, nah, I'll just start tomorrow. And let's not forget those moments when you're standing in the gym, feeling totally lost and unsure which exercises to do. It's like you're stuck in a fitness rut and breaking free feels impossible. But guess what? It's not. We're about to dive into some seriously awesome fitness hacks that will help you conquer these common struggles and more. Get ready to say goodbye to those workout woes because things are about to get a whole lot easier and way more effective. Trust me, these hacks are about to change your fitness game for good. Okay, let's talk about those days when you're feeling super unmotivated, when even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. You know, those days when the thought of working out feels about as appealing as eating broccoli for every meal. It's like your body and mind are in rebellion, and the couch seems like the only place you belong. I've totally been there. We all have those moments when motivation is at an all-time low. But here's the thing. You don't need to force yourself into an hour-long gym session when you're just not feeling it. It's not about pushing yourself to the brink every single time. Instead, try this. Commit to just 5 minutes of exercise. That's it. Just 5 minutes. It sounds almost too simple, right? But that's the beauty of it. It's a small, manageable chunk of time that doesn't feel overwhelming. So, put on your workout gear, choose a quick workout, like a 5-minute ab routine or a quick jog, and just move for 5 minutes. It could be anything, a few stretches, a short walk, or even dancing to your favorite song. The goal is to get your body moving, no matter how small the movement. You'll be surprised how often those 5 minutes turn into 10, then 15, and maybe even a full workout. Once you start, you might find that it's easier to keep going. Your body warms up, your mind starts to clear, and suddenly, the idea of continuing doesn't seem so bad. The key is to just start. That's the hardest part. Once you get moving, that motivation will often kick in, and you'll feel proud of yourself for taking that first step. It's like a snowball effect. The more you move, the more you want to keep moving. Remember, something is always better than nothing, and those 5 minutes can make a world of difference in the long run. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each small step you take adds up over time, leading to big changes in your health and well-being. So next time you're feeling unmotivated, just give yourself 5 minutes. You might be amazed at what you can accomplish. Hack number 2, turn chores into mini workouts. Let's be real, who actually enjoys doing chores? But what if I told you that you could turn those everyday tasks into sneaky little workouts? Yep, you heard that right. Instead of dreading chores, think of them as opportunities to get your body moving. Waiting for your laundry to finish? Do some squats or lunges, washing the dishes, squeeze in some calf raises while you wait for the water to heat up. Vacuuming. Engage your core and turn it into a mini ab workout. The possibilities are endless. By incorporating these mini workout bursts throughout your day, you'll be amazed at how much more active you can be without even setting foot in a gym. Plus, you'll finally have a reason to actually look forward to doing laundry. Hack number 3, the power of pre-workout prep. We've all been there. It's 6 p.m., you're exhausted from a long day, and the last thing you feel like doing is digging through your drawers for workout clothes and packing a gym bag. That's why prepping your workout gear the night before is an absolute game changer. Lay out your clothes, shoes, socks, everything you need, so you're good to go in the morning or after work. This simple hack eliminates those last-minute excuses and makes it so much easier to stick to your workout routine. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of waking up knowing your workout outfit is already chosen and ready to go? It's like a little present to your future self. The most transformative hack. Listen to your body. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. In our fast-paced world, we often overlook the signals our bodies send us. We push through pain, ignore fatigue, and sometimes even skip meals to meet our fitness goals. But what if I told you that the key to true fitness and well-being lies in paying attention to these signals? Now, for the most important fitness hack of all. And it's not about fancy equipment or complicated routines, it's about something much more fundamental. It's about tuning in and listening to your body. This means being aware of how you feel before, during, and after your workouts. It means recognizing when you need to push harder and when you need to pull back. It's about tuning in and listening to your body. This practice can transform your fitness journey. When you listen to your body, you can avoid injuries, improve your performance, and enjoy your workouts more. It's about finding that balance between effort and ease, between challenge and comfort. In a world of fitness challenges and intense workout programs, it's easy to get caught up in pushing ourselves to the limit. We see others lifting heavier weights, running faster, or doing more reps, and we feel the pressure to keep up. But here's the thing, fitness is not a competition. It's a personal journey, and everyone's path is different. But here's the thing, rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Your mind needs time to relax and recharge. Without adequate rest, you risk burnout, injury, and a lack of motivation. So make rest days a regular part of your routine. Your body needs time to repair, rebuild, and come back stronger. This is when the real magic happens. During rest, your body heals micro-tears in your muscles, replenishes energy stores, and balances hormones. It's a crucial part of the fitness equation that should never be overlooked. So, don't be afraid to take rest days when you need them. Listen to your body's signals. If you're feeling unusually tired, sore, or unmotivated, it might be a sign that you need a break. Rest days are not a sign of weakness. They're a sign of wisdom and self-care. Pay attention to how your body feels. Notice the subtle cues it gives you. Are your muscles tight? Are you feeling sluggish? Are you experiencing any pain or discomfort? These are all important signals that can guide your fitness decisions. If you're feeling sore, tired, or just not up for a high-intensity workout, that's okay. It's perfectly normal to have days when you're not at your best. Instead of forcing yourself to stick to a rigid plan, be flexible. Adjust your workout to match your energy levels and how your body feels. Listen to those cues and adjust your workout accordingly. Maybe today is not the day for a heavy lifting session or a long run. Maybe it's a day for something lighter, like a walk in the park or a gentle yoga session. The key is to stay active in a way that feels good and supports your overall well-being. Maybe go for a walk, do some gentle stretching, or engage in a low-impact activity that still gets you moving without putting too much strain on your body. These activities can be just as beneficial as more intense workouts, especially when your body is asking for a break. Or try a restorative yoga class. These classes focus on relaxation and gentle stretching, helping you to release tension and improve flexibility. They're a great way to stay active while also giving your body the rest it needs. Remember, fitness is not about punishment. It's about honoring your body and treating it with respect. It's about finding joy in movement and appreciating what your body can do. When you listen to your body, you create a sustainable fitness routine that supports your health and happiness. It's about honoring your body and treating it with respect. So next time you lace up your sneakers or roll out your yoga mat, take a moment to check in with yourself. Ask your body what it needs today and listen to the answer. Your body is wise and it knows what's best for you. Level up your fitness game. So there you have it. Simple, yet effective fitness hacks that can make a world of difference in your journey. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and incorporating these tips into your routine in a way that feels sustainable and enjoyable. Now I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite fitness hacks? Share them in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live our healthiest, happiest lives. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I'm always sharing new workout routines, fitness tips, and healthy recipes to help you crush your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.